Hi guys, I've just been looking at some of the jobs that I've done over the last 2 or 3 months, and this one stands out. It's the Dudley Kinetic Urinal Control. Basically I fitted one about 2 months ago. I want to show you how it works, show you some of the benefits and the features, see that if you can ever use it, and they are really good. So basically this is your solenoid valve. It comes with connections already on it, so you can connect it straight onto your pipework. You don't have to buy any extra fittings or anything like that. It works between 0.1 bar and 10 bar pressure, so you're not going to be worried about buying a low pressure one or a high pressure one. This one does it all. So you install that onto your pipework, you connect the controller straight onto the front of it like that, and it's held in place by 2 screws. If the solenoid valve needs to be fitted behind some panelling, then we use this solenoid plug that's supplied, plug it onto there, that side plugs straight into your controller, the back side of this. Like I said, it can be fitted on the ceiling or the wall. It's got a saddle, so you can cut it into the wall and have flush fittings either in the wall or the ceiling. It can be mains fed, battery fed, or mains fed with a battery backup. And the reason why I thought it was so good and so easy was this. You click the front off with a screwdriver and you come across the brains of the controller. After pressing about 4 or 5 of these in a sequence that's helped by flashing lights to make you know that you're doing it right, after 5 or 10 minutes that's set up digitally and it's not going to go wrong. A lot of the systemizers that I've used in the past have taken me a long time to get set up properly, and I've had to wait and wait for them to flush and waste a lot of water, and that's what these are for, saving water. It's RAS approved and it's British made, so if you're in the business of installing any urinal controls, I suggest you get one of these Dudley controls. Kinetic, they're absolutely brilliant, and that's why I love plumbing.